Greetings to everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Siravat Kampiang. I am student Songkhla Ratchapat University and I am studying communication arts. My topic today is how do you take of yourself? Today I will cover 4 parts. 1 is a balanced diet with all 5 food groups. 2. Exercise regularly. 3. Get enough sleep. 4. Eating a healthy diet. This presentation will take 10 minutes. Feel free to interrupt if you have any questions. I will start by talking about a balanced diet with all 5 food groups. Well, that is all I have for today. Thank you for your time. Does anyone have any questions?